How to create GIA project for PMAJAY portal. First of all, open your browser and type PMAJAY. dosje.gov.in. Click on the login button. Enter user ID here. Enter password here. And fill the captcha here. Then click on login button and go to manage GIA projects and click on create project. Fill project information. Fill here title of the project. Fill here description and objective of the project. Fill here about the target to be achieved. Select here type of intervention project, skill development, infrastructure development, income generation activity. Fill here of skill development part. Is the executing agency identified? Yes. Here select the executing agency from the options given below. Here select the type of skill from the options given below. Here select the institute name from the options given below. Type here course name. Fill here cost per beneficiary in rupees. Fill here number of beneficiaries proposed to be supported from grant in aid. Anticipated expenditure under grant in aid is auto-filled. Multiply of cost per beneficiary and number of beneficiaries proposed to be supported from grant in aid. Accept declaration. Fill here number of beneficiaries proposed as per financial year. The percentage of beneficiaries proposed is auto-filled as per the number of beneficiaries proposed. The financial year-wise breakup is auto-filled as per the number of beneficiaries proposed. This field will be auto-filled based on financial year-wise breakups. Fill here of infrastructure development part. Choose here area type, rural or urban. Select here Gram Panchayat village code. Is the executing agency identified? Yes. Here select the executing agency in the option given below. Here select the type of infrastructure in the option given below. Type her infrastructure description. Fill here total cost of construction in rupees. Fill here funds proposed from others in rupees. Funds proposed under grant in aid in rupees. If you have more funds, you can expand this field. Fill here approximate SC beneficiaries. Physical and financial target. Fill here summary details of physical target. Fill here construction percentage. Fill here financial year wise breakup of grants in aid in rupees. Accepts here declarations. Fill here income generation activity part. Here select the type of domain in the option given below. Here select the type of subdomain in the option given below. Choose here as the executing agency identified. Yes. Here select the type of executing agency in the option given below. Fill here total cost of activities, assets per beneficiary. Number of beneficiaries proposed to be supported from grant in aid. Fill here loan from bank, corporation, financial institution in rupees. Fill here own sources, beneficiary contribution in rupees. Fill here financial assistance subsidy. Fill here others if any in rupees. Total proposed cost from grant in aid is result of number of beneficiaries proposed to be supported from grant in aid multiply grant in aid from PMAJAY. Fill here number of beneficiaries proposed. Percentage of beneficiaries proposed and financial year wise breakup of grants in aid is automatically filled according to the number of beneficiaries proposed. This field will be auto-filled based on financial year-wise breakups. Then click on the Save button and you will receive a success pop-up with the message.